Fi bro session part tekane ke video kadai namta ki candidate ke ba apply namta ka SSC GD mo ne kam sipai SSC GD te menin ngada penmi ke video haba ong wade bat ka self slot booking mo ban book hi delade ya ka tarik exam bat ya ka timing men step na janmit kum tatar te minta pade kalawan dakwe ka notice ong ba amdon kamre namta ka SSC GD te namta ka exam ro hajing sha ka day bandai menta ubanai February haki arpo sheneng te tangba nomor ba kidon da kida bom lakir kat kum notice kum tamta ada batai hakane ka letar ba kinsa pentip biang until further notice. The computer-based examination for Constable GD in Central Armed Police Force CPF and SSF and Rifleman GD in Assam Rifle Examination 2026, which was scheduled from 23rd February. Mudba hakku ka notice kalwarim kibu nadu apply February terter. Tementa bade la cancel no onward in term of commission notice kadon gane notice to dated 2 January 2026 is hereby defer till further notice. Fresh date will be announced in due course. Kinsa pentip ya ka tarik kebatmai te kan la bande behadu March April. Senang March April kumtahi te nang yai penkre namta kane exam marba ka exam kadai ka main ha namta kane ba pinyo sha select khangde kanon biang skawai puli bak notice for the slot selection facility mekane ka manjit kanya kata ka tarik exam ne ka por te amdon kamshu will not be applicable for the above examination namta kane amdon kamshu namar ba kidon leki daw bom lakir mtipre ne ka daw ta amdon kamshu te wanam slashu ya kata ta shu abai tang ya ka tarik exam tekne amno. The city life will be made 8 to 10 days before commencement of examination. The city life kumut ba anda gila pentip ya kata tarik exam kumut ba sibuk kande shitrik mas ne shpotrik mas te kumut ba shipos ngi pral ne shipos ngi shwa kata tarik exam tadi kan kadega sisdang kata tarik exam pila ban yo page ba piyo to exam ha kan no tarik kane ka life city life mun ban page piyo hangno center bat ha kano tarik ka exam kano timing phishio page 4 yo download ya ka admit card te henna kong ba before commencement of examination an admission certificate for the candidate will be generated 2-3 days ahead of the date of their examination tikin yo ba arlen license ni shwa ka tarik exam te phila yo page shwa ni kong ka live city live untuk hiyo tarik exam lade te shwa bande arlen license ni ka tarik exam ko jong phi bisa yo pan download admit card te ya manta empat mi notice era tendala mi notice biang sa pentip biang habade bat ka tarik exam bat ki banyo page ikan admit card ki jong phi habade bat ka SSC GD arja penrew te all the best namta itu candidate ban penkre namta kane ka exam sipai SSC GD tangine hi jemptip kulesubun